Good morning. If you hear chewing in the background, it's Nala. Let's get this video started. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi. I'm Chalise. This is my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to take you in through a day of my life. Flight is tomorrow. And I have a full day of work today, but I have the full day off tomorrow. Partially because I need to drive to the international airport. I need to finish packing. I need to drop the fur babies off to their grandparents for the week. And yeah, kind of just prepping for that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have been so overwhelmed in this process, which doesn't normally happen to me. Like when I'm about to travel, I'm usually excited and thrilled and just anticipating going. But lately I've been really overwhelmed with everything. Like with just having to do things to prepare for this trip. And I don't know if it's because this is the first time I've traveled for an extended time while I've been a homeowner, and last time I traveled I had the pipes burst and it was a hot mess and we didn't have floors for 3 months. I don't know if it's because this is my first time going solo internationally for the first time, or like my first time traveling internationally since COVID. I don't know what it is. If I'm sad that I'm leaving B for an extended time, or the pups, I have no idea. But I have been really overwhelmed with everything, and I feel like there's so much to do and not enough hours in the day to do it. But anyway, I'm trying to look on the bright side today because, like I said, I'm traveling tomorrow and I'm excited. I should be excited. This is a really exciting time to be alive. It is like 7:30 in the morning, I think. I'm just doing a really light makeup look today because I have to go clean the Airbnb. I have a full day of work. I need to finish packing, and I thought I would take you on the journey with me. You know? Good thing is I did prep some. Like my check-in, not my check-in, I'm not checking in a bag. My carry-on suitcase is pretty much all packed. I charged all of the cameras, the GoPros, I bought the mics, they're charged up because I kind of explore that side of TikTok more. If you're not following me on TikTok, go follow. I don't post a ton on there right now, but I'm going to try. Do y'all see that? Like it looks like somebody just slapped me in the face. Don't worry, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to blend it out. Like, Brandon tells me this, color looks like a trout or a salmon, I think is what he called it. But this is Rare Beauty in the shade Joy. Okay, we're back. Anyway, we do have guests checking in today. We also have, or not today, Tuesday. And, oh, it's a little wet. So I'm gonna go prepare for that because obviously I'll be gone tomorrow when they check in. But I looked at the weather for Italy, like the parts that we're going to, and it's looking a little rainy. But I'm hoping that shifts, because if not, that'll be tragic. Good thing I'm there for 9 days, you know. But yes, it's not looking super sunny and sunshine. But I packed for sunshine to hopefully bring that with me from the States. And also, I bought a rain jacket. And I don't know, I'm not an umbrella girly, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I hate carrying umbrellas. I have them, but every time I've used one, it's just been like an absolute show. Because I use it when it's like rainy and windy. And like, you know how it blows up in the movies and you look a hot mess? That's how I look every time. Every time. So I have given up on umbrellas, and I just am wet. I look like a wet dog when I walk in from the rain, and I go with it. I'm like, what hair is in? You know? Smudge mascara, looks like smudge liner. We're rocking with it. I feel both prepared and not prepared at all, because like I have a plan in place but that plan is not in action at the moment. I wasn't even going to plan on doing my makeup today, but I was like, let me try to make myself feel a little bit put together and like I'm prepared for this, prepared to go out of the country, because right now I'm not. Right now I'm not. Miss Monet has fully convinced me that I need to go on a vacation to Antigua, so that will be in the works. Okay? I gotta go. The car is packed with the things I need for the Airbnb. I just gotta grab my work bag. It's a dating. Okay, let's go. There's a squirrel. Oh, there's two. Three. Oh my gosh. Hi, cottage.
Unlocked.
Okay. Everything seems pretty intact so far, so I have a meeting. Yum. Okay. If anything, at least this tastes delicious. I just felt them long ways once. That last year, if you would have told me that I would have been running an Airbnb with the love of my life, I would have thought you were crazy. I would have thought you were loco. Un poco loco. But here we are doing it, and I'm so proud of us. Like, we are really killing it. It's hard work having to like do the cleaning and the communication with the guests and follow-ups, yard maintenance, like little things that I don't think we even considered. We've come across now because we've been doing this for 2 months now, and it's been insane. Like, honestly, it's been insane. But like I said before, we are super grateful to be experienced this. This is the bath mat that we washed. We're super grateful to experience this. So freaking proud of us, because this is work. Even getting it ready. You guys saw all those videos that I posted about us getting the cottage together to list. It was a lot of work, a lot of money, a lot of work, a lot of effort. I'll set these up now. I am heading out from the cottage now. As you can tell, it's super clean. Everything's in its place. Have some waters. We have 4 guests, so I need to leave them instructions for how to use the sofa bed and where the extra linens are. Let me just go back here, make sure this is locked. We have those towels. Bathroom is squeaky clean. Oh my gosh, it smells so clean. Another makeup towel there. We're good to go. Someone left their super nice flippies. Dang. Over here, this is our fire pit. They moved the chairs around or whatever, which is fine. But they left fishing poles, I think. Alright, back at home. In preparation for leaving tomorrow, I leave Brandon like little notes every time I leave the house for like an extended period of time. And I get these cards from Central 23 on Amazon. They're so cute, so I wanted to show you. This is what it looks like. What'll I do without you? You get it. And the inside is just blank. I obviously filled it up already. But I love them because they also come with these really cute stickers, and each card comes with a different set. I've received 3 different types of stickers. Some of them I used, but I wanted to show you really quickly. We have this one. I love these little otters right here, and the little cheese with a smiley face. Oh my gosh, so cute. What is this one? Good vibes, love ya. And then there's also this one that I received. Another love you, but they're just like different types, I guess, like different color schemes. They are different. Some of them are the same, like those avocados right there are the same, but some of them are different. So there's that one, and then this one I kind of been using a lot of But there's a cute little bunny. I love stationery. If you know me, you know how much I love cards. I just have a plethora of them ready to go. And every time I see a cute one, I just have to grab it. So I already put on the envelope, love you, like one of those little love you stickers. Hello, love you. And I'm just going to put this card in and put it somewhere where he can find it easily. It's just something thoughtful to let him know that I love him. And then I'm going to miss him so much. You guys see him? Look at his little head. They gave him the worst haircut. Oh my goodness. Come here, bro. Show them yourself. Show them you. You look so handsome and so funny, huh? Once I get home, I'm officially clocked out for the next 9 days, thankfully. I am gonna miss, look at them. I am gonna miss my team while I'm gone, but I'm so excited for this trip now. I feel like I can just focus solely on packing. I don't have to worry about the Airbnb, work, anything. I can just focus on finishing packing, which I will do tonight. I'm gonna place an order for pickup at Ulta because I'm missing a few things. I need to get some pimple patches and stuff like that. And then close the suitcase and see y'all in Italy. Yay! Okay.